Here's a quick tech tip. You know that these batteries in the Subarus, this is a Subaru Outback, and it's got a group 24. It's kind of a lower output size, but this this car goes through batteries like every 2 years. It's pretty common on some of the Subarus that are from like 2016, 17, 18, and so on. The batteries are just too small for the car. I'm going to show you what I got over here. Okay. And this one, let's get this thing going. This one is from Costco. It's an AGM. I think it was about 220-ish. And there's the part number 24 DC, that's the size, 24. Part number 1745 58.6. And here's the capacity, 942. It's almost 1,000 cold cranking amps. And look at the internal resistance is much lower as well, 2 versus I think around 6 or 7. These cars just tend to go through batteries pretty often, so I think they just come with too small of a size from the factory, and this is a perfect little drop-in battery. It literally just drops right in. It's affordable, and it's a marine grade, which is higher grade than automotive. So get you one of these. The terminals are also in the right spot. It's basically modern auto stop start technology in the battery, deep cycle, but bigger and fits in your older Subaru. So give that a check it out. Anyway, love, peace, and chicken grease.